Okay, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll show you how to change the batteries in the Oculus hand controllers. So here's the left one, here's the right one. What you'll find on both sides is, see this arrow? That's basically indicating where you slide it down. You can see I'm kind of doing it like that. Okay, so all you're doing is pulling it in a downward motion. I'll put it up there, thumb there, pull it away from you there, and then you've got the battery. So as soon as you get the battery, having real trouble trying to open up the Oculus, what you can do is just get your nail into that bit there, see that little gap there, and that makes it easy as well. Just flick it down there. If I zoom in on that, see how the battery's got the plus at the bottom, pull that down like that, and that goes out. Okay, AA battery, link to the AA batteries are at the bottom. Okay, hope it's helped. Please like, please subscribe. I'll put some links to some AA batteries. And thanks for watching.